Ever heard of a modern-day pirate ship? Well, get a load of this. A mysterious, ramshackle houseboat named Neverlanding has appeared out of nowhere in Lexington State Harbor, Michigan. And it's got the whole town talking. This isn't your average luxury yacht. It's more like something straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie. And the story behind it is even wilder. The vessel first drifted into our collective consciousness when it showed up unannounced. A curious sight against the tranquil waters of Lake Huron. It's a huge DIY-style raft, pieced together with what looks like whatever its captain could get his hands on. The name Neverlanding is scrawled on the side. A fitting title for a boat that seems to be in a constant state of wandering. Hailing from Windsor, Ontario, this floating fortress has made quite the journey across international waters. So, what exactly is this thing? From a distance, it looks like a floating cabin. A two-story structure perched on a massive raft. Up close, the details are even more fascinating. The roof appears to be covered with solar panels, suggesting the front is equipped with a jet ski, a rubber dinghy, and even a small rowboat. It's a one-stop shop for aquatic adventure. On the back, there are at least one or two outboard motors powering this beast. And for a touch of whimsy, a couple of owl statues stand guard on the top deck, watching over the harbor. The appearance of Neverlanding has turned the quiet town of Lexington into a tourist hotspot overnight. People are flocking to the harbor, cameras in hand, trying to get a glimpse of this bizarre vessel. Local resident David Votman, who was originally there to watch the salmon spawning, found himself captivated by the strange houseboat. It's become the main attraction, drawing crowds and sparking countless conversations. But the biggest mystery of all is the captain. Who is the person behind this incredible creation? The owner has remained elusive, a ghost on the water. However, there are dim whispers. Richard Laframboise, the owner of a local spa called the Windamara and Grill, thinks the mysterious captain might have paid his restaurant a visit. He described a man who came in, had a quiet meal, and left without much fuss. Could this have been the mastermind behind Neverlanding? The legend grows. This vessel is more than just a boat. It's a statement. It represents a dream of freedom, of living by one's own rules, completely untethered from the shore. It's a testament to ingenuity and the spirit of adventure. While local authorities are figuring out the official status of the boat, for now it remains anchored in the harbor, a silent, floating enigma. The story of Neverlanding is still unfolding. What will happen next? Will the captain reveal himself? Where will this incredible floating home sail to next? We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops. What do you think of this incredible deal? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tailies from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.